Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your Twitter account private. All you have to do, guys, you want to open your Twitter, and after that in the top left you want to click your profile. Now after you click on your profile, at the very bottom left it says here settings and support. You want to click on settings and support at the very bottom, and scroll down a little bit and click settings and privacy. Now after you click on settings and privacy, you want to click on privacy and safety. Okay, you want to click on privacy and safety. Now after that you want to click on audience and tagging. In the top it says here audience and tagging. You want to click it. After that you want to click on protect your tweets. You want to turn this on. So the moment you turn this on, as you can see here, I have turned this on now. The moment I click turn on, I clicked protect your tweets. So each follower that will follow you, you will have to accept their request before they can see anything that you post on your Twitter. The same thing on Instagram. When you make your account private, people have to send you a friend request, a follow request, before they can see any posts you post on your profile. So if this video, guys, helped you, let me know in the comments. And leave a like. See you. Have a good